Welcome to Mary Woodward's Multicultural Assembly. Today we are going to teach about some of the different cultures in our community.
At Mary Woodward, 46 students speak different languages at home. Woodward parents speak a total of 44 different languages. In addition, 19 Woodward kids were born outside of the United States in places such as Costa Rica, Mexico, and Italy. This map shows all of the different countries where kids from Mary Woodward were born.
One country Woodward kids were born in is the Netherlands. The Netherlands has over 1,000 windmills and is the biggest exporter of flowers in the world.
Woodward kids were born in Australia. One part of Australia, called Tasmania, has the cleanest air in the world. Australia is also home to the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest ecosystem in the world.
Some kids at Mary Woodward were born in Japan. Japan has the oldest business in the world. This company, Kongo Gumi, is a construction company that was created in the year 578 AD. Japan is also famous for its vending machines. They have vending machines for lots of things that aren't food, like umbrellas, batteries, and flowers.
Next we are going to have some videos made by Woodward families about some of the cultures in our community. First we'll hear from Faye about the country of Vietnam.
My name is Faye. I'm Vietnamese and Dutch. Today I will talk about Vietnam and our culture and traditions. My mom helped me make these slides, but I did the typing. Vietnam is located in Asia. The red arrow is pointing to Vietnam. Vietnam is a small country, but it is very old. Vietnam has lots of different types of food. The picture in the slide is what my mom cooks and what we eat at home. We eat rice with a side of brothy soup, with steamed vegetables, a little bit of meat, and something stir-fried. We have special foods that we cook once in a while, such as bun bok lok, which is the picture on the top left of the screen. We also make spring rolls, or goi guong, and it is one of my favorite dishes. My mom loves to make and eat bun sao. Also, a popular dish is pho, or beef noodle soup. Our biggest celebration is Lunar New Year. It is called Tết in Vietnamese. We eat special foods and watch lion dance. Adults give money to kids in red envelopes called lì xì for good luck and health. Our traditional outfit is áo dài. It is a long dress with white pants worn on special occasions. The two middle pictures are my mom and me, and my mom and dad. Our language is Vietnamese, or Tiếng Việt. The picture is my first name in Vietnamese. In Vietnamese, friend is bang. You may repeat after me. Bang. Thank you for learning all about Vietnam. Also, my cat Pepper says thank you.
Now let's hear from some of the Woodward kids whose families come from Mexico.
Our families are from the country of Mexico. Mexico is just south of the United States and has 129 million people. 69 different official languages are spoken in Mexico, but the most widely spoken language is Spanish.
Mexico is home to the largest pyramid in the world. This pyramid is named Cholula and is 66 meters high. Did you know that the meteorite that killed the dinosaurs landed in Mexico? The crater that it left was discovered in 1981 and was 180 square meters big.
In this next clip, the Lopez family shows us how to make homemade tortillas and turn them into delicious tacos.
This is the Robles family, and this is our culture and tradition. One of our foods that we really enjoy
is making tortillas for tacos.
Whoa, look at that.
Yeah, put the bowl. Put it right here.
Oh, look at that. Okay. Look, starting to look good. Starting to look good. Oh. These tortillas are for our one of our most favorite foods in our culture. They are making tacos, a classic.
Okay. Next, we have one already.
Handmade tortillas. What do we have in there? Oh, the meat. Asada.
With onion, cilantro, avocado, wait, and lime.
And lime.
Lime.
Oh, that looks so mouth-watering.
Yeah. Try, Matthew.
Let's try it, Mateo. Try it.
Matthew. You like it? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
It's good.
Thank you, Robles Lopez family. Those look delicious. One way that we say friend in Mexico is amigo.
Next, Hank will tell us about the country of Colombia.
All about Colombia. Oh, hi, I'm Professor Hank. Today I'm studying Colombia. You want to come join me? Colombia is located in the northwest tip of South America. Maybe I should get in something more comfortable. Huh? What? This is not what I wanted. This is not comfortable. Oh, this is better. Colombia's region span across the high Andes Mountains. There are flat grasslands called the Llanos. The Caribbean and Pacific coasts. And the wild Amazon rainforest. These landscapes are home to a staggering number of species. Colombia has too many holidays to list, but my favorite's gotta be Carnival and Barranquilla. Famous people from Colombia include Shakira, Gabriel Garcia Marquez, Fernando Botero, Mirabel, and Bruno. But we don't talk about Bruno. Its food is as diverse as its landscapes. It has endless exotic foods. And my favorite, a soup from the Andes called ajiaco. Colombia exports so many good things, like coffee and gold. And emeralds. Colombians love soccer, dancing, and of course, singing. Let me introduce you to my favorite Colombian, my dad.
Hola y gracias por acompañarnos y aprender acerca de Colombia. Bye.
Bye, friends. Adios, amigos.
Now let's hear from some Woodward kids who were born right here in the United States.
We were born in the United States. The United States is located here in North America. It is between Canada and Mexico.
The United States has people from many different countries. We are sometimes called a melting pot because all of the different cultures have come together.
Different parts of the United States enjoy different kinds of food and even call foods different names. In Philadelphia, they call lollipops taffy. In the South, people enjoy eating grits and collard greens.
Many people throughout the United States love to eat foods from other countries like Mexican food, Chinese food, and Thai food. One food that is considered all-American is apple pie, a delicious treat for a 4th of July celebration. The people of the United States enjoy celebrating many holidays. The 4th of July is the day the United States celebrates becoming an independent country. Different parts of the United States celebrate the 4th of July in different ways.
In New York City, Nixon's hot dog company has a hot dog eating contest. I think that a hot dog eating contest would be disgusting.
In Hannibal, Missouri, people have a fence painting contest. That sounds so fun. I think if I was in that, I would win that anytime.
In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, people whose ancestors signed the Declaration of Independence get to ring the Liberty Bell. In the United States, we have many words for friend. Pal, buddy,
Mate, sidekick,
bestie, BFF, homie, and peeps. Finally, Claire and Leo are here to tell us about Armenia.
Hi, I'm Claire.
and I'm Leo.
And we're
Armenian.
Not Armenian.
Armenian.
Armenia is located in Western Asia. It is bordered by Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, and Azerbaijan to the east.
This is traditional Armenian clothing. It reflects a rich culture.
Chess is very popular in Armenia.
All kids 6 to 8 years old are required to take chess lessons in school.
Checkmate.
Come on!
Armenians love to eat, and the table is always full during family gatherings.
My favorite is a yogurt called lemny with pita bread.
In 1915, there was a genocide where 1.5 million Armenians were driven out of their homeland by the Ottoman Empire.
The Armenian diaspora is all over the world. My mom's family is Armenian from Iran, and my dad's family is Armenian from Beirut and Bulgaria.
Insider's tip. Whenever there's a YAN or IAN on the end of somebody's last name, it's probably an Armenian.
Like the Kardashians, except they make the other 99.9% of Armenians look bad.
Armenians are very friendly, loud, and boisterous.
Hey! What's up? Let's go, yeah! This is the word unger. It means friend.
Thank you for watching.
Please join Miss Hutchins' class as we sing the Hello song that Miss Mullins taught us.
There's children in the desert, and children in the towns, and children who live by the sea. If we could meet each other to run and sing and play, then what a friends we all could be. Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobry day. Hello to all the children of the world.
Wow, we really have traveled all over the world today. We visited Vietnam, Armenia, Mexico, and Colombia. Thank you so much to the families and students who helped create this virtual assembly. Today is Multicultural Day at Mary Woodward. Later today, you will have a special guest come and read a story to your class. You will also be making a button like this one. For your button, your teacher will give you time to draw a picture on a circle like this. The picture should show your identity. It should show something about your culture or the country your family comes from, or it could show your identity in another way. You get to decide. Make sure your name is on the front of the picture so we know who it belongs to when this project is done. Once your class is done drawing the pictures, your teacher will send the bag of pictures to my office, and our No Place for Hate committee will turn your pictures into a button. Please note that the edge of the circle will disappear under the button, so you won't be able to see that part of your picture. You might want to leave that part blank. There will be a few other multicultural things happening today, so keep your eyes open and enjoy our Mary Woodward Multicultural Day.
Hello, bonjour, buenos dias.